Even in this video I'm going to write a function that will give you the greatest number among 3. Okay, so I'm going to define a function named greatest num. So I will pass 3 parameters here, a comma b comma c. So then first I will check if there will be 2 conditions, right? First I will take if a is greater than b, then if a is greater than b, then we will check if a is also greater than c. So then we can just say that a is bigger because a is greater than b and a is greater than c as well. So we can say that a is greatest. Now a we will pass as integer, so to concatenate it we will have to convert it as string. So string of a plus is greatest. Then else if a is greater than b and a is not greater than c, then there must be the c is greater. Okay, so print string of c is greatest. So here we have considered one condition, a is greater than b, and then we will consider the second condition as well, like if b is greater than a. There would be only 2 conditions, right? A either would be greater than b or less than b. So here I am considering the second condition as well. If b is greater than a, then if b is greater than c as well, then we will print a string of b is greatest. Else print a string of c. Is greatest. So we have defined our function. Let's write. Now I will call our function greatest num, like 3, 5, 8. 8 is greatest, right? Now I will put 36 here. So 36 is greatest. Now I will put 88 here. So 88 is greatest. So this is the function. So that's all. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please subscribe, and thank you again.